everyone, myself Vedant, and today is November 23rd. So let's start with today's and weekly analysis of cryptocurrencies. So, firstly, if we see Bitcoin on weekly time frame, Bitcoin showed a good bearish momentum from the last 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I can say. It's just continuously going bearish, and it's also going to close this weekly candle very bearish, and it also it's near its demand zone right here. So let's see if it would be able to sustain this demand zone, or it would just break this demand zone and enter into the bearish phase of crypto. And if we come up to daily time frame, on daily time frame, as we can see, it's complete extreme bearishness is there from last many days, and no good bullish candle is closed. And also on Friday, if we see Friday candle closed a bit weak and showing a reversal from this range at near 81,000, and good wick is formed below this candle, and let's see if it tries to sustain this range and goes up, or it continues its fall again. And also, if we come to 4-hour time frame, on 4-hour time frame, it's on a lower low pattern, as it's from last many days. And also, if we mark this level, it would be the level. Okay, so this would be the level we would be watching till when till this high is intact. We won't be planning buys, and let's see if the price continues its downtrend or just tries to reverse back upside and give a bullish rally. So on 1-hour time frame, if we come, Bitcoin is just consolidating right now, as it's a weekend, and last trading session it was just bearish and just gave a good retracement at the end of the day. And let's see if it becomes its a reversal area or just continues its downtrend. So we could mark up this range if the price tries to make some pattern right here for reversal, and we won't be selling as well on this. If the price tries to make some pattern here for bullish structure and then make any pattern for selling or buying, we won't be planning any trade till it continues a trend, and either it continue its downtrend or just reverses and starts its bullish trend. We would be looking for the confirmations first and not jumping into any trade without any confirmations. So heading on to Ethereum on weekly time frame, it's also just heavily bearish and showing a very bearish momentum. So on weekly candle, if we see weekly candle is going to close really bearish, and past few candles are also extremely bearish, as it's showing the reversal of the whole rally which came previous month. And it wasn't able to sustain above this range right here. It just gave a breakout and just fall again back to its previous uh, range. So on weekly time frame, it's just bearish, and the possible demand zone for Ethereum could be right here. Let's see if it comes near this area or tries to sustain above this demand zone and give a reversal upside, or just continues downside, as a good bearish momentum could be seen right now on Ethereum. So Ethereum on daily time frame, if we consider, it's bearish only, and on the last trading session, trading weekday, it closed a bearish candle, but with a good big wick upside and downside as well, showing a weakness in selling. Let's see if the price sustains above this candle or just breaks its previous lows like previously it just did right there. So let's see how the market reacts to these areas. And for now, it's just bearish, but weakness in selling could be seen, or it might be a retracement to the sharp fall from past many weeks. Bearishness is continuing, and let's see if it retraces or reverses. Accordingly, we would be planning our trades. And for now, on 4-hour time frame, also it's just on the lower low pattern, and let's see if how the market goes. And for now, we have already marked with this previous high, and for the immediate previous high, this level could also be marked as a reversal zone, or the previous high liquidity zone, where we could plan a sell trade if it just sweeps it and tries to reverse downside, and could possibly break this area with a good momentum candle, and we would be seeing for reversal upside. So let's see how where the market goes in the upcoming days. So that's it for Ethereum as well, and these are the levels already marked day before yesterday, and those are the only levels for now. Also, if we head on to XRP on weekly time frame, it's also really bearish, and also going to close a good bearish candle on weekly time frame. As well as if we see, there is a good demand zone right here on XRP, and the price is getting a good support every time it taps this area. Let's see if the price again sustains this support level and reverses back, as a good reversal right here could be seen. And if it sustains this level and goes up, there could be a possible reversal right here on XRP. And on the daily time frame as well, it's bearish, and on 4-hour, if we see, it's on a lower low pattern, and this is the possible high we could be seeing for the reversal, as till then it just be a retracement for the bearish move, and not a reversal to be really seen. So if you come up to 1-hour time frame, on 1-hour time frame, if you see, just sweep this previous high liquidity and just trying to reverse back, and let's see if how it would go next. Also, possible sell trade could be uh, executed if it just closes good bearish candle like this and breaks this level, or taps this level of selling right here with a stop loss previous high and targeting 1:3 at least. And this is could be a possible trade on XRP for now, and let's see if it continues selling or just go reverse and do. Let's see if it would reverse back or just close a good bullish candle or reversing candle right there. So heading on to BNB. On BNB, if you see it was just rallying or really well, bullish rally was going on BNB, but from the last month it's just going down and closing a really bearish candles right every week, and this week as well. If we can see, it's going to close a good bearish candle right here, and bearishness could be seen as it's even bigger than the previous bearish candle, and uh, as it's on the weekly time frame, it shows the price is really weak and markets are really bearish on BNB coin. So if we come up to daily time frame, we could see a possible demand zone right here, and this is this previous demand zone was break by the price, and this was break by the price previously, and it's going down and down after this levels break. As we talked, if this level breaks, it could possibly give a good bearish momentum, and it just went really well. And heading on to 4-hour time frame, on 4-hour time frame, it's completely on a lower low pattern right now. And also if you see, this could be the, just wait, removing this, this could be the possible previous high. We would be looking for the uh, break of this price level, so that we could see the reversal of trend to bullish, and for now it would be considered bearish till this level is intact on 4-hour time frame. And also this is a good range of, was a good range, and after this ranging for few days, it just gave a good rally downside. So it's just showing the bearishness on the BNB coin, and this is the possible level we would be seeing if the price sustains above this level or just sweeps this level's liquidity and goes down. So there could be two possibilities, that if the price goes near this level and fails to sustain and goes down, we could be planning a sell trade right here. uh, like this, we could plan up a sell trade right here, or or uh, or if it just breaks this level really well and sustains above, uh, we could see for change of character and see for buys afterwards. But till this level, it's completely bearish, so we would be marking up for sells only. So that's it for BNB. Let's heading on to Solana. Solana coin, on the weekly time frame, it's just bearish and closing a good bearish candle, or a weak candle. Weekly is closing as uh, upside and downside. A good wick formation could be seen, showing indecisiveness uh, on this level, and a less body is forming. Let's see how it closes. And also, if you see, there's a good demand zone right here. Let's see if the price sustains this demand zone or breaks this uh, demand zone. on weekly time frame, but for now it's showing a weakness in selling. That's a good signal for the support on this demand zone right now, and let's see if the price reverses from this level or continues its bearish move accordingly. And for now, we have already marked with these levels. Uh, this is the previous high. We would be looking for break so that we could see the possible change of character from bearishness and to bullishness on Solana. So let's see if the price breaks this level or just comes to this level and again tries to go downside. We would be planning for sells only, not buying till it sustains above this previous low or previous high, sorry. So on daily time, on 1 hour time frame, this was our level, uh, which we have already marked for now, and this is the major supply zone on 1 hour time frame. Let's see if the price taps this area and tries to go down again, or retrace back till this zone and again goes down, or just reverses and breaks this highs and goes bullish. So let's see how the market goes in the upcoming days. So heading on to Dogecoin, lastly on Dogecoin, also on the weekly time frame, it's bearish and showing a good bearishness as closing is a bit strong bearish. And if we see on the daily time frame, it's also very bearish, and also uh, on the other hand, it's just on the demand zone right on uh, this level. It's the demand zone of Dogecoin, and let's see if it sustains this demand zone and takes a good support, or just continues its downtrend. And if we see on 4 hour, it's on the lower low pattern, as it's continuing uh, its downtrend continuously. So we would be seeing for this previous high to break before executing any buy trade. And also on the 1 hour time frame, if you see uh, on 1 hour time frame, this okay, sorry, so on 1 hour time frame, this could be the possible level for selling, which could be seen on possible level of selling is this: if the price taps this level and tries to reverse back to sell, we could plan up some sell trades right here, or this could also be a level for selling. And this is the ultimate supply zone for 1 hour time frame sells. And if it crosses this level and sustains, it could be a possible reversal for the Dogecoin. And let's see how the market goes, and we would be planning our trades accordingly. So I hope you like the analysis. For more analysis like this, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.